Hello everybody, on this video we'll talk about update statement in SQL Server. Update statement, update the records in a table. Let's look them in action in SQL Server Management Studio. Alright, so I have an instance of SSMS open, and on the left hand side here I have a Sales Quota 2024 table. Let's quickly look into the table. So it basically has sales quota key, employee key, date key, calendar year, calendar quarter, and sales quota amount. So our management came to us and said that we need to up the sales quota for the upcoming year. So everybody's sales quota will go up by 10%. And that will be reflected on the database. So to do that, let's write a SQL query. So we'll start with update and the table name. On this case here, we'll update sales quota 2024, and we'll be setting up the sales amount quota to the sales amount quota right now times 10%, so which will be 1.1, and this will update the data for every row on the table. So let's see that it's 154 for the first row, 154,000 for the first row, and if we do a select, it's gone up to 169. So it has worked. The other scenario would be to update multiple rows on the same table. So how can we do that? We can just add a comma and add a new column. So let's say we have a scenario where employee 281 left the company, and employee number 282 will be taken over. So the management says employee number 282 is an efficient employee, so up his quota by 10% and give all the accounts to 282. 282. So what we'll be replacing is we'll be replacing the employee key on row 5, 6, and 7 and 8, and we'll be increasing the sales quota by 10%. So the first logic is already there. Now we need to also include employee key, and which will be manually hard coding to 282. In this case here, we need to add a where condition. If we do not do that, all the rows will be updated to that employee. So we don't want that. So let's do employee key equals 281, not 181, but 281. So in this case here, all these 5 rows will go to employee key 282, and his quota will be up again by 10%. All right, so if I do that and look into the data, we'll see that we don't have 281 anymore. We just have 282, and his sales quota has gone up again by 10%. So this is how you can update data in SQL Server. See you in next video.